Summer is almost here, so for today's tutorial, I've decided to create for you sun and moon makeup for your festival or summer photo shoots. I start with sun part and I apply orangey eyeshadows. If you want to make this look even brighter, use cream eyeshadows or gel liners as base of your makeup. By the way, I don't know why I skipped this part, but I'm using gel liners to create sun. Currently, I'm using Colourpop gel eyeliners quite a lot because they are really soft, easy to blend, and colors are really nice. My next obsession now are palettes from Game Beauty because they are really well pigmented. I really love them. I love using them for almost every makeup now. And I don't really know which one from Elemental Blast is my favorite one, but I think that red one, Pyro, I use it more. And of course, for this look, you'll need all glitters that you can find. Mine are from Profusion, and those two palettes that you'll see in this video, I really enjoy them. My little hack is to tap your glitters with your finger, not with brush, because it will give the color a little bit better. And for big glitters, I'm also using this spatula. You'll see it a little bit later. I apply fixing spray before and after applying glitter. It's really a game changer. It makes it really easier to put glitters on without using some sort of glue or any type of liquid product. Remember to use fixing spray after applying glitter, and we are moving to moon part. So for the moon part, I'm starting with gel eyeliner, again from Colourpop, and we are drawing some sort of moon. You can use jar or something round to make it a little bit easier for you, but I think that you have, like anatomy, so it will be maybe better if you do it with your own hands. And then I'm using gel eyeliner to fill the form of our moon. Of course, another palette from Elemental Blast. This one is Cryo, and this is so beautiful. I love those colors. I also decided to add a little bit of shimmery eyeshadows from Colourpop palette. This one is really good too. I love all products that I'm using, and I love sharing the things I really love. And nope, they are not sponsored, so yeah, this is my honest opinion. For glitters, I'm using another palette from Profusion. This time this is Emerald Gems. And after that, we will use glitters. Fixing spray again, glitters. I hope you're enjoying this makeup tutorial so far. I create quite a lot of them, so if you are not subscribed, please subscribe because it really helps me to make even more and even better. Let me know where would you go with this type of makeup, and remember that you're already beautiful.